Good morning, futures traders. Today is Monday, April 13th. The time is 9:28. Trading the NASDAQ open today using Praedox Sentinel. We'll have our market open prediction print in about 5 seconds. We just broke through the London high here. We are at a key area here. We have a pivot point here. We are at the 0% level as well. So this might be one of those days we take a backside, meaning we go short. So we do have a volume climax signal here, which is signaling that we did have some volume, which is basically a reversal. So this is from the volume spread analysis we have built in. We have about 30 seconds. This is one of those potential shorts here. We got 15 seconds. Okay, so it did go up, indeed go up. Again, I'm going to take the short still off of the
order filled
0% level here.
Stop filled.
Okay, we did hit a break-even one.
Target filled.
Okay, here we go. Okay. So we did have the open prediction up. You could have taken it long. We were too close to this stop right here, this pivot point right here. And the reason why I did that is we did have a volume climax trade here, which meant you had almost double the volume on an uptrend. And again, on the volume spread analysis, it's got some rules around it that basically tell you that when you have higher than usual volume on a bar in the opposite direction, that's a good indication that you might have a quick reversal. And we really did it. So that was not would have been a failed trade, but we wouldn't have gotten in that anyway. But we were right at the London high here anyway. And we now are stuck at this pivot point here of support. We are at the end of the move,
Volume
0%.
climax short.
So now we have another volume climax short. There's a potential here. So if we want to hop
Order
back in,
filled.
we'll get aggressive on the stops.
Stop filled.
Yeah, okay. So we got aggressive on the stops on that kind of trade. Okay, but you would see that on a volume
Order filled.
short here. We do have some volume here, which does signify that there are some.
Stop filled.
All right, well, we're scalped in that. So we got a little bit. We didn't reach our goal of $1,000, but you can see that indeed would have probably hit our break even plus 21. So we're not going to push our luck. So you got to see a couple other types of trades here. But like I said, on the open up predicted, it could have gone either way. Like I said, the safer bet was to the downside only because we were at this level here. We had just broken through the London high. The fibs were up, but we were at the 0%, which was the end of the move typically. We did have a volume climax there, signifying we were having some excessive volume on a bar in the opposite direction, which we did indeed. It did go up a little bit, and now you're seeing it's coming back down. And you can see on this volume climax signal here that indeed did show some excessive volume as well. So with that said, that's the MOP trade or the market open predicting trade for the day. If you'd like more information on Praedox Sentinel, Visit Praedox.com, Praedox. If you have any questions, as always, please feel free to leave a comment, shoot a message on Discord, send me an email. Happy to respond. Join our Discord. It's free to join. You can speak with other traders that are using the tools that we have. You can see their results,
Praedox aggressive
wins
volume
and
long.
losses, or as well. We do have an aggressive long here as a potential. And again, these are aggressive. Okay, so we could indeed take that, and I may
Order
post video.
canceled.
Have a great day. We'll be back at it tomorrow.